Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is going to be a lip swatch video featuring the new additions to the Propa Beauty lipstick range. Now, Propa Beauty has been featured a couple of times on my channel already. They are the ones that created the beautiful 12 melanin nude lipsticks that I swatched a while ago. Now they've added few more shades to their range, so we've got 7 shades to swatch for you guys today. The formula is still the same. You still get it in the same packaging. It's the luminous satin finish formula. Packaging is the same. It's just we've got more shades to swatch, show you guys, play with. I'm actually wearing one of the shades right now, and I'm going to do close-up swatches for you guys to see. Propa Beauty lipsticks are vegan, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free. As I said, it's a cream satin formula. It says that it's got a hint of vanilla cream aroma, but honestly, you guys, I don't smell anything in these lipsticks. They're so comfortable to wear, and they are amazing. As some of you know, I do have an affiliate code with Propa Beauty, and it's Medea J, and it will get you 15% off your shop. Now, this code tends to work on sale items as well, so definitely make use of it. I really love Propa Beauty formula because the lipsticks are effortless, easy to apply, they glide on like a dream. You do not need to apply any pressure to the lipstick. They are literally that pigmented that you just need to just gently swipe onto your lips. Because of the formula, it is quite soft, so you need to really care for your lipsticks. Make sure that you store them in a cool, dry place, and make sure that you don't put any pressure when applying the lipsticks. Just looking on the Propa Beauty website to see if they have like a discount deal on all 7, like they did for the melanin range. So you can get all 7 lipsticks for $69. Individual lipstick retails for $12, and so times 7, that's about $84, but you can get it all for $69. And I believe my discount code works on that $69, so you get a further 15% off that price, which I always think is brilliant. I just wanted to keep the intro short and sharp, give you guys as much information as possible. Definitely enjoy the swatch video. Remember to use my discount code if you guys like the colors and you want to try the lipstick range. Also check out my other video featuring 12 of their melanin lipsticks. So without further ado, let's jump into the swatch.